So my name's Jessy and I work for NASA. And I'm a bit of an open government geek. And in December, the Obama administration came up with something called the Open Government Directive. And the Open Government Directive is focused on getting the government to be more collaborative, more transparent, and more participatory. So that's cool, but if you guys, some of you do work for NASA, know NASA at all, they're not always very good at being collaborative. So, for example, this is our NASA contact directory. It's based on LDAP, and you can search for people by name, basically. The results, sorry, this is really small. The results are lame. They're basically an email address and a phone number, and it doesn't tell you anything about who the person is or any attributes that they might have. So it helps you find people you already know about, but it doesn't help you search for people that you might want to know about, nor does it help you learn more about people that you're going to meet with. So it turns out that because this is LDAP, there are other ways to access this information, and you can actually search on something called the X500, and it exposes even more information that was on the previous page that I showed you, but still not very much. So we're going to search for our good friend Mike Lundy, and we can see that although it shows employer and a few other pieces of information, it's still really lame. It's when? Yeah. Show up at his office too. But because this information is public and the LDAP servers are public, we decided that what we could do is we could access those servers directly and build a better system. So we found the LDAP servers that X500 site was using, and we searched around for a few additional LDAP servers. And what we created is people.opennasa to mirror the URL people.nasa. And what you can do here is you can search for people at NASA. And when you do that search, here again is our good friend Mike Lundy. You can see that all it's doing right now is it's pulling in the basic information that the original system was displaying. So nothing new, but already you're getting all the exact same information that you were getting from the less cool system, and it looks a little bit nicer, so that's fine. What you can't see very well down here is that this actually says, "Are you Mike Lundy?" And if you are Mike Lundy, you can click on this link, and it will do a little pop-up, and it'll say, "I'm going to send you an email now." So now we're all going to tell Mike that he should be cool and edit his profile. And when he does that, he will get an email to his NASA email. So this is all based on NASA. It authenticates by your NASA email, essentially. So you click the link that you get in your email, and you go back. It takes you back to the browser. And now, because I don't have access to Mike's email, I'm actually showing you somebody else's profile. But essentially what this does is it takes what this is over here, all the default information that was available in your profile, and all the stuff on the left-hand side is additional information you can add to tell people more about yourself. So it gives you the ability to customize your display information, biography, tags, side projects, etc. And all of this is optional, and you can fill out as much or as little as you want. So when you submit that, now the page that displays when people search for you is something that's more fleshed out and has more information about you. So if somebody's going out to, say, have a meeting with you, they can look you up and they can say, "Oh, I didn't know that Robbie used to work at headquarters as well as at Ames, and that he's interested in project management and open government as well." So then what you might do is you might see that it's not terribly easy to see, but you might see that he's interested in open government, and you want to know who else at NASA is interested in open government. So you click on the link, and it'll take you to a search page, which will display, it's just tag-based search, other people who are interested in open government as well. So all this information, all the code, it's all in GitHub. It's Python, it's Couch, and it's Tornado. So the idea is if you also have an organization that hasn't totally caught up with being cool and connecting people together and collaborating, you should be able to, with possibly some help from us, take this and retrofit it for your own organization. And just to finish up, I'm going to steal an extra 30 seconds and show you a video. This came from the Great American Hackathon that we did this as a part of. And this was a really hilarious news spot. This sound.
Where's your audio on this side?
Okay, it's not working. But anyway, this was a really funny news spot that that called us NASA hackers who were trying to break into the government to free data. And nobody contacted us to actually verify the story. And they showed lots of stock footage of the Columbia supercomputer, so I thought it was really funny. Okay, thanks.